The last process is refining of metal. So, in this process we have to take electrolytic cell, the electrode should be of metals to which we have to refine. So, this is the block of the metal to be refined, and another is pure electrode. So, this should be cathode, that is the negative terminal of the battery, and this metal, this should be pure metal rod, and this is always made anode, that is the positive terminal, and this is impure block. Of the metal. We have to take electrolyte of the same metal, this is the electrolyte. Now, let us take an example of copper. Suppose this is impure block metal of copper and this is pure metal block of copper, and the electrolyte taken in the electrolytic cell is CuSO4, copper sulfate. Again we have to remind it that the block to which we have to make pure, that is we have to extract the pure copper from this impure block, this should always be at anode terminal, and the pure thin block is always should be at cathode terminal. Now, as the electricity pass through these electrodes, then copper sulfate, that is the electrolyte, this will dissociate to Cu2 plus and SO4 2 minus. Suppose this is get dissolved Cu2 plus and SO4 2 minus. Now, what will happen? Since copper is positively charged, so this copper of electrolyte moves towards the cathode. So, the reaction at cathode, Cu2 plus accept 2 electrons and become Cu metal. It get deposited over the metal, that is the fine rod. Now, there is a deficiency of copper ion in the electrolytic solution. So, what will happen? Another reaction simultaneously, another reaction will take place at anode also, then reaction at anode. What happen? The metal block is neutral, that is the Cu. This releases 2 electrons to the anode and it will become positively charged. So, this copper which is from the metal block, it moves to the electrolytic cell. to electrolyte. So in this way, all the copper metals which are present in this impure block, they all comes to the electrolyte, and from electrolyte they get deposited over the pure copper metal. So in this way it get thinner and thinner, the impurities get deposited below the anode, and it is called as anode mud. The next topic is corrosion. In corrosion, the surface of metals become either dull or are slowly eaten up. When these are kept in open for a long period, this is called corrosion. Now suppose we have placed copper Cu in an open atmosphere, moisture will be there, carbon dioxide also present, oxygen is also present in the atmosphere, so they all will react with copper to form Cu, OH whole twice, CuCO3. This is basic copper carbonate. Similarly, silver acquire black coating over it when exposed to atmosphere. Silver S2S, this gives Ag2S S2, silver sulfide, and this is black coating.